Breaking news just coming in as well. Our next story of the day. Ex-BlackRock director says the SEC will approve all the spot Bitcoin ETFs within the next 3 to 6 months. Now, it doesn't get much more bullish than that, considering we have a Bitcoin halving scheduled to take place in roughly 6 months' time in April of 2024. So imagine getting the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs and the Bitcoin halving in the same year, combined with a supply shock. Game on. New all-time highs incoming. Just saying. So let's break this story down because this is a pretty big deal. Even Max responded to it. Bitcoin is about to become the world's monetary standard. 220,000 per Bitcoin short term in play. Send it and let's freaking go. So here's the story. Former BlackRock managing director, we all know BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, who now serves as the CEO of MarketVector Indexes, predicts the US SEC will approve a spot Bitcoin ETF within the next 3 to 6 months. He shared his estimate during a panel discussion on ETFs at CC Data's Digital Asset Summit in London, where he was joined by another ex-BlackRock director, Martin Bednall, and now CEO, Jacoby Asset Management. Now, his response came after Bednall earlier's comment that the SEC will probably approve all ETF apps simultaneously and doesn't want to give anybody the first mover's advantage, which had been rumored here recently in the market. Previously, the MarketVector CEO estimated approval would take 9 to 12 months. Still, he noted the SEC's recent decision to delay verdicts on several pending ETF apps deviates from their previous tactics. Now, Schoenfield, if I'm pronouncing this dude's name right, noted that instead of rejecting the whole list, they asked for comments, which is a marginal but significant improvement in dialogue. There's also the Grayscale lawsuit, which we know, which the SEC lost, which means they will most likely have to allow the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to be converted into an ETF. Send it. That's going to be major, fam. Grayscale currently holds over 600,000 BTC, so game on. Now, BlackRock, the financial powerhouse currently managing just shy of 10 trillion in assets under management, is in a strong position to secure approval for the spot Bitcoin ETF through its pending application with the SEC. That is underscored by BlackRock's remarkable track record of getting the ETFs approved by the SEC with a success rate of 575 to 1, virtually meaning they've had 575 apps for ETFs be approved by the SEC and only ever had one denied. Goes to show you the power of BlackRock. Now, the transformation in BlackRock's stance on crypto is noteworthy, as CEO Lawrence Fink, who once criticized Bitcoin, now acknowledges its potential as a digital alternative to gold. Now, during the panel discussion, we had Martin Bednall expressing confidence in BlackRock's ability to leverage its brand strength and resources, potentially giving it a first mover's advantage if the SEC begins approving those spot Bitcoin ETFs. So where you at? No Claire Gare? Just saying, it's about time. Schoenfield noted that his company conducted analysis suggesting that approving spot ETFs could lead to an inflow of $150 to $200 billion entering into Bitcoin investment products over the next 3 years. And I think that's extremely conservative, fam. What are your thoughts? This influx of capital could potentially double or even triple the current assets under management in Bitcoin products. However, Schoenfield offered a more measured perspective to Bednall's suggestion. He emphasized BlackRock may strive to dominate the market, while several other firms are deeply committed to tradable digital assets, some of which have closer ties to the crypto ecosystem. He anticipated BlackRock may face significant competition in the space. All I gotta say is this: competition is a beautiful thing as the Bitcoin game theory continues in full effect. Could you imagine every major asset manager that currently has a spot Bitcoin ETF application with the SEC being approved like a domino effect? Game on, bring it. I love it. And the Bitcoin market of true price discovery is also going to enjoy that competition as well. So send it and let's go.